Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Jericho Blossom, hashtag number 9 YouTube channel. Today we are racing at The Rock in the Craftsman Truck series. This truck that I'm racing today is more organized, upgrade-wise, compared to the truck you see me use yesterday. Qualified 31st, and we're going to get into it and see what happens today. Hoping for a better finish than 30th, honestly. So we're going to jump into it.
Get on your feet. It's time to go NASCAR Truck Series racing as we go trackside for the most famous words in all of motorsports.
Drivers, start your engine!
Here we go.
Here we go. Start it up.
38 laps. Let's see what we can do.
10 away. There's the green. Car outside. Still there. Stay low. Outside. Clear outside. Inside. 3 wide. 3 wide. Clear low.
Had a bad entry to that corner there. Oh, truck spun out in front of
Outside
us.
now. Caution's out. Pit road. Pace car's off. Be ready. There's the green. 1 on the bottom. Stay high. All clear. One up high. Clear high. Clear up top. Amazing lap, driver. Car outside. Stay low. Stay low. Amazing lap, driver. Stay low. All clear. Fastest lap yet, bud. Driver, that was your best lap ever. Outside. Fastest lap yet, bud. Clear outside. Car high. Clear outside. Car high. 1 on the the bottom. 3 wide. Clear high. Clear low. One high. Stay low. Clear high. Outside door. Stay low. Clear high if you want it. Outside now.
Truck got loose there.
Clear. One bottom. Clear low. Inside door. Stay high. Clear inside. Inside. Stay high. Clear, clear. One outside. Car still there. Clear outside. 20 to go. Car high. Clear outside. That's halfway. Car high. Clear up top.
Whew, getting squirrely.
Alright, let us know what you need, bud. Alright, bring it in and pit this time. Leaders in the pit. Back it down, back it down. Car ahead is pitting. Watch out, car is pitting in front of you.
Whew, that truck was getting squirrely coming out of corners. Oh, I smacked the wall too. Didn't hit nobody though, so. Still fighting around in the 30s for position. Come on, guys, get me back out. Let's go. Come on.
Leaders pitting. One outside. Clear high, you want it. Caution's out.
As soon as I get back out, there's a caution.
Coming to the green. Are you ready now? There's the green. Inside. Inside. Inside door. Inside. Three wide. Clear inside. Clear outside. One outside. Yellow is out. Pit road is open.
Did I cause that or did he hit me first?
You ready? Green, green, green. One on the bottom. Five to go this time. Clear low. Inside. Clear bottom. Car outside. One low. Clear high, you want it. Clear inside. Outside. Stay low. Clear up top. Amazing lap, driver. Two to go now. One bottom. Clear inside. Stay high. Hold your line. Clear low. One more time. One outside. Stay low. outside. Keep your chin up, driver. We'll get things turned around.
I'm not having any luck in these races, y'all. Not having any luck. 30th position or better is eluding me every stinking race. Boy, I went down 2 laps real fast. Goodness. Nah, get out of here. You're the one that got into me, bud. You can't come out of the corner and go up the track while there's somebody there in the middle and up against the wall. You can't come up. Whatever, it's my fault. All right, everybody. That's the end of today's video, racing at the Rock. Went 2 laps down really quick. I didn't think I was 2 laps down. Maybe 1 lap, but whatever. Tomorrow we'll be heading to Texas, and let's see. I think yesterday for this truck, as you can tell, it's level 4, level 3, level 2, level 2. I believe, if I can remember, because I've done things since then, I've been to work and all of that. I think I bought a level 3 engine for this truck to more even it out. And I'm thinking with the money I have right now, I should be able to do the suspension also. So for Texas race tomorrow, I should have this truck that I have all unorganized, a little bit more organized. So we'll see. Anyway, appreciate y'all for stopping by. Either you, my current subscribers, or new viewers. If you made it to this part of the video, I appreciate you. If you like what you see, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know how I did. Yeah, so I will see y'all tomorrow for Texas. Y'all take care. Have a good rest of your day. I will see you later.